you all are best and fine. And yesterday we already completed about our refraction class. Now we are going to discuss about our whatever refraction in rays, how they behave on curved surfaces, how they refract on curved surfaces. Yesterday we already discussed the terminology also. Yes, about the terminology yesterday we are discussed. What is the center of curvature? What is the normal? What is the principal axis? What is the principal axis? And what is the focal length? What is the focus? These are all the things yesterday we are already discussed. Now we are going to discuss about our incident rays, how they behaves. How they behave here. Okay, clear or not all the students? I hope all the students, you know very well about our whatever the terminology. It's a very important. Yes, the terminology is the same for our mirror also. There is not variation in the mirror to this lens actually. There is the same in that mirror, whatever the please stop your all conversation about this year. Yes, the years are going on, and there is tomorrow is one more day is added. Okay, to our life. That is only. I thought there is no special thing to the change of these days. Whatever the resolutions year last year you are taken, you fulfilled or not, and that is important. If you fulfilled that all the resolutions, automatically that have the one of the recognition of the changes of the days. Okay. Yes. Yeah, there is a whatever our 2020 is there, that is a avoided year. Yes, for our studies purpose. Why? Because you lost a lot of your joys and as well as the knowledge. Yes. Due to in this particular year, may we are expecting, we are hope for next year is good for us. Yes, hope for best next year. So just wait for half an hour, then after you go with your enjoyments and everything. Not today half an hour not, there is a 4 classes are there. Yes. So don't write anything on that particular chat box about that our New Year wishes and all these things. Tomorrow is a holiday for your celebration purpose. Please give a time for me for half an hour. Yeah. There is whatever we are already discussed in our reflection phenomena purpose. The same things also we are have to go discuss here for our refraction purpose also. Whatever the terminology yesterday we are discussed, I am given all the definitions. Once again we recall the definitions once. Then after we are enter into how our rays are behaves. Yes, for our curved surfaces for a reflection. Yes, once again, there is what is the center of curvature? You know very well. There is when we take one curved surface. Okay, clear or not all the students? When we take one curved surface, for this curved surface, there is whatever the circle we are construct for this curved surface, that circle center, the center of the circle, the center of this circle is only becomes what? Center of curvature. Suppose this is the curvature of our curved surface. Based on this curvature, you construct one circle. The center of that circle is only becomes what actually? The center of that circle is only become the center of curvature. It is a one definition based on a geometrical. And another one more definition is also there. We drawn a line. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Which line? Perpendicular line from where? Perpendicular line for the tangential line on the point of incidence, otherwise the point of curve. Okay, that all the yes, whatever the perpendicular lines we are drawn, okay, no, yes, from the where? From the curved surface points. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes, that all are become the normals. Clear or not, all of you? Otherwise, whatever curved surface based we are drawn one circle, na, that all are whatever the radiuses are there here. Whatever the radiuses are there here for this circle, that is only become the radius of curvature. Yes, all the radiuses which is meet at a one particular point in front of curved surfaces are only called what? That point is only called center of curvature. So many definitions are will get for us, but exact definition what we have to go to write in our examination. One thing, the coincidence point of a normals. Coincidence point of a normals. Yes, which is drawn from yes, points on curved surfaces. Yes, which is drawn from the points on curved surfaces. Coincidence of normals which is drawn from the yes, which is drawn from the curved surface, points from the curved surface. This is only called center of curvature. I hope you got it. Once again I repeat it, just listen carefully. This coincidence point of the normals, coincidence point of the normals, okay, which is drawn from okay, points on curved surface, okay. Yes, this is only about the what actually center of curvature. It is only called a center of curvature. Okay, the next one is whatever the distance here there from geometrical center to the yes, center of curvature. Yes, geometrical center to the center of curvature is only called what? Yes, radius of curvature. This is called a radius of curvature. The geometrical center is called what actually? The geometrical center is called a pole. And whatever the line passes through the pole and as well as the center of curvature, axis passes through the pole and center of curvature is called, yes, pole and center of curvature is called principal axis. It's called principal axis. Got it or not? And this is only next concept is about focal length and focus. Yeah, there is a whatever the rays are fall on our curved surfaces after the refraction, they coincide on the principal axis. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Suppose there is a what? These are the light rays we are consider here. These are the light rays are considered here. These light rays are okay, coincide on this particular point. Suppose we are not, it is possible to on center of curvature, may the center of curvature may here, suppose there is a what, they coincide on this particular point, it is only called a focus. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Then whatever the distance is there from the pole to the focus, that is only called as focal length. These are the terminologies yesterday we are already discussed. I hope you got it. And now we are going to discuss the next concept, that is only yes, how the rays are changes. how the rays are changes, how the incident rays are changes. That is only we are going to discuss. Yeah, very important thing, that is whatever first one here, first ray, the rays, what is here? Refracted rays nature here. Refracted rays nature on our curved surfaces. All the students, it is a very important. Just we are drawn the ray diagrams and we are analyzed where the images are formed, and we are already well knowledgeable in a reflection. But in the reflection, one easy law is there. Because of that, it is possible to, it is easy to possible. What is that? Where the incident ray is there? Yes, based on that one, we draw the normal, apply the first law, that is angle I is equal to angle R, automatically you will get the reflected ray. Yes, in whatever the situation. Here simply we are applied, there is a whatever the I is equal to R. In case it is a curved mirror also. Okay, clear or not all of you? There is no problem. For the where? For the reflection. Here, when we are takes here our refraction, there is also one law is there, that is the Snell law. The Snell law is also valid for all the refracted rays. But application of I is equal to R in a reflection easy. Compare with the our Snell law application. That is the what nana? Sin I is equal to sin R. Sin I is equal to sin I by sin R is equal to N2 by N1. Here the refractive index is a main role played here. Okay, clear or not all of you? How much it is refracted? The ray, how much it is refracted? It is given by Snell law only. Why? Because all our refraction phenomena follows the refraction laws. All our refraction phenomena follows the refraction law. That is only Snell law. Yes. So first we are have to know what is the Snell law. We have to know what is the Snell law. Everyone, you know very well about the Snell law. In your 9th class, lot of information is there about a Snell law. Snell law mainly written as, Snell law is written as what? Sin I by sin R is equal to taken as, sin I by sin R is equal to taken as N2 by N1 or V1 by V2. It is also written as sin I by sin R is equal to yes, N21. Clear or not all the students? It is also one of the yes law only we are written. Okay. Yes. Just a minute. I hope you got it. There is a what? Sin I by sin R is equal to N21. Or otherwise, it is also written as, what we have to go written it is, there is N1 sin I is equal to what? N2 sin R. Okay, clear or not all the students? By applying all these laws, we are estimated what is the nature of our refracted ray. Okay, but we don't know about velocities. Okay, clear or not all of you? We don't know about velocities of light in the medium. Indirectly, there is a what we know very well, when it is a traveled from the air, it is a 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. It is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Okay, got it now? Clear? The board is clear now? All the students, board is clear or not? Yeah. Now there is a sin I by sin r is equal to taken as sin I by sin r is equal to taken as n to 1. Now n1 into sin I is equal to n2 into sin r. From this formula, yes, we are estimated our light ray. So what we have to know compulsory? We have to know compulsory refractive indices, otherwise the relative refractive indices. Clear or not, all the students? That is only here we are applied first, then after will get for us. What is the nature of the ray? The first ray. What is the first ray we are taken here? Yes, here the ray passing through the center of curvature, or the ray passing through the normal. Okay, clear or not, all of you? The ray passing through the pole or the ray passing through the center of curvature. Both the rays we are taken here. The ray passing through pole or center of curvature C. Okay, the diagram are very important. One check here. It is a which type of lens? Tell me. It is a which type of lens? It is a convex lens. Okay, clear or not, all of you? It is a convex lens. No. I hope you got it. It is here. It is a convex lens. I hope you got it. There is a what? There is a no mirror indication. In case it is given like this mirror indication, it is become what? It is become concave mirror. Okay, clear or not, all of you? But there is a which surface we are taken here? This surface is only taken for our incidence purpose. Why? Because it is a convex lens. It is a transparent media only. It is a transparent surface only. Now I am drawn here. There is a one ray like this here. Okay, clear or not, all of you? What is this? Principal axis. It is taken as somewhat what here? It is a principal axis. I am taken here. It is a what? Pole. It is the center of curvature. Here it is the principal axis I am taken. Now what is our conditions here? Our ray is passing through the pole and as well as the center of curvature. You know very well. Yes, the light ray is come from here and it passes through the pole. Okay, it is a what? It is a incident ray we are taken here. Clear or not, all the students? What we are taken here? Our incident ray is taken at where we are taken our incident ray? We are taken our incident ray at it is a passes through pole and it is only become the refracted ray. Yes, refracted ray. Yes, there is any deviation is there? According to the refraction phenomena, when the light is enter from one medium to the another medium, it is a air. Okay, clear or not, all the students? It is somewhat a glass, but it is enter from one medium to another medium, but I am not right in the form of a deviation. Why I am not taken it is an deviation? Tell me, why I am not taken it is a deviation? One more thing also. Okay, one more thing also. What is that? It is a passes through the center of curvature. Like this ray passes through the center of curvature. Okay, clear or not, all the students? It is a passes through the center of curvature. Means it is not deviated. Okay, clear or not, all of you? It is not deviated. Okay, why it is not deviated? When it is a passes through the principal axis, it is not deviated. Why? Because as a here in our reflection phenomena also like that only. In a refraction phenomena also like that only. Why? Because Tell me. Why? Because it is. Yeah, there is a once again you applied our sin I by sin r is equal to here. Sin I by sin r. Snell law you applied here. Yeah, what is the incident angle? All the students clearly once you observed here. When it is a passes through the pole, it is along the what actually? Along the normal or not? All the students, it is along the normal or not? When it is a passes through the incident ray is a passes through the our pole, it is a called along the normal it will be traveled. It is a traveled along the normal. No, it is somewhat Rishika Reddy. Yeah, it is along the normal only. Here it is also along the normal only. Our incident angle is how much here? Our incident angle is how much here? 90 degrees. Our incident angle is a 90 degrees. Yes, I is equal to become what? It is a travel along the normal means I is equal to 90 degrees. Then automatically here when we are taken I is equal to 90 degrees, automatically r is equal to also become 90 degrees only. I is equal to 90 degrees means r is equal to also 90 degrees only. Why? Because here there is a ray is not deviated along this sin I by sin r is equal to. Okay, clear or not all the students? Sin is a 90 degrees and here sin r is equal to also taken as somewhat 90 degrees. Yes, it is a become what? 1 by 1. Understood not all the students? It is a 1 by 1. At that time, yes, sin 90 is a 1 and sin 90 is also 1. Yes, and it is a not deviated or not? It is not deviated from or not? Clear or not all the students? It is not deviated. It is a not deviated. Indicate the what? When it is not deviated, 1. That is a whatever the ratio is a become 1. Otherwise the relative refractive index is a become 1. At that time only it will be called as not deviated. I hope you got it. There is a when there is our light ray enter through the normal. Okay na? Yes, enter through the normal compulsory. There is a whatever our incident angle is a yes 90 degrees automatically. Once check it here. This is the refraction phenomena we are taken here. Now the light ray is comes through the normal. Okay, clear or not all the students? Automatically, yes, along the normal it will become. Suppose this is the incident ray. It is the air we are consider. Listen carefully this one. Here once check here carefully once observe here. There is it is air. It will be passes through the air. And now it is make somewhat angle, somewhat 30 degrees we are consider. Okay, clear or not all the students? Automatically there it should be what? It is a denser media. It is below the 30 or not? It is below the 30. When it is a reaches to here, our ray is also reaches to here. Correct or not? Okay na? Yes. It is a 30. It is a 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Like that it will becomes. Now there it is a 90 degrees. It is a what? It is a 90 degrees. Now our ray is also reaches to the what? It is also 90 degrees only. The both the rays are contain how much angles? There is a yes 90 degrees with one another. Okay, got it or not? This diagram is understood or not all the students? I hope you understood. When there is our I is equal to 90 degrees means what? Along the surface we are centered. Along the surface we are entered. Okay na? Yes, because of that there is our refracted angle is also become the 90 degrees only. I hope you got it. Yes? Here there is a two conditions we are taken as a case 1 in a figure 3 in your textbook. Once check it here. There is a when the light ray is a passes through the either pole or the center of curvature. Along the principal axis only it is. but it is we taken the points now. We taken the points along the center of curvature, along the pole, from the pole. At that time, our ray is not deviated. Yes, either for it is a refraction or for it is a reflection. That it is our ray is not deviated. Clear or not, all of you? I hope you understood this one. Yes, this is a 30 degrees. This is a 40 degrees. This is a come to the near to the yes our normal. Okay, clear or not, all of you? It is a somewhat 20. Yesterday we already discussed it. There is a whatever our light ray is incident with somewhat angle as from the rarer medium to the denser medium, it comes towards the normal. But when it is along the normal, it is also along the normal only. Clear or not, all the students? Yes? And that is whatever the refractive index it will be there for our light ray. Yes, whatever the refractive index there for our medium. Okay, now there irrespective of the medium, there is it will become the what? It will become the what actually? Yes, that is a 90 degrees only. Okay, it is a passes through the center of curvature. Next to come to here. Next to come to here, there is about a case 1. What is that? A ray passing through, the ray passing through passing parallel to the principal axis. It is a parallel to the principal axis. Next component, parallel to the principal axis. How it will behave? This is the what? This is taken as our principal axis. This is the what? This is the principal axis. Clear or not, all the students? Now there is it is a what we are taken. It is our convex lens. Now there is it is a parallel to the principal axis. Like this, it will be get for us. It is a parallel to the principal axis. Then our convex surface. It is a, when it is enter from the rarer medium to the denser medium. Yeah, it is a what actually? It is the center of curvature, and there is it is a we drawn one normal here. Here we drawn the one normal here. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes, it is a become incidence angle based on incidence angle. It is a what actually? Sin A by sin R is equal to N21. This formula is a compulsory to analyze every refraction rays purpose. But when it is parallel to the principal axis, automatically they converges towards the what actually? Principal axis only. They are converging towards the principal axis, but it will be made apart from the center of curvature. Not in front of the center of curvature, it will be go away from the center of curvature. You know very well. Why? Only one thing, in case it is what is the reason may not require to Snell application here. Yes, in case it is not deviated, it is a follows in this particular path. You know very well. This is the normal or not? This is the normal for this our incident ray. This is the I. Now, there is it is a comes towards the normal or not? Only one thing you keep in your mind. There is a not need this our sin A by sin R application also. Only one thing, because of when our light ray enter from rarer medium to the denser medium, after the refraction, our light ray comes towards the normal. Here, in case it is not deviated, it is follows this particular path only. But here there is a what is going on? It is a refraction is going. That's why it is comes towards the normal. Yes, which is a normal here? Our whatever the radius of curvature is there, it is a normal. So it is a comes towards the normal. When it is a comes towards the normal, compulsory it is a called a converging nature or not? Yeah, it is only called as well as a converging nature. I hope you got it. There is a when it is a parallel to the principal axis, it is moves like that. But because of the refraction, when the light is enter from rarer medium to the denser medium, it is a compulsory coming towards the normal, not meet at the normal. Yes, why? Because somewhat angle is there. It is not a 90 degrees. It somewhat angle is there. Parallel to the principal axis is nothing but it is a normal. Okay, now yes, that's why somewhat angle it will be made with the principal axis. Automatically, somewhat angle is also made here also. But it should be less than this I. Here I is compulsory greater than the R. You know very well. Yes, when light is enter from the rarer medium to the denser medium, yes, there is a incidence angle is a greater than the refracted angle. Clear? Why? Because it is a coming towards the normal. When it is a coming towards the normal, okay, na? Yes, here what we are takes here. Here it should be converging towards the principal axis. Converging towards the principal axis. Okay. This is only the concept of what actually. Yes. This is only the information about our refracted ray when it is a come parallel to the principal axis. Yes. One of our student is asked one doubt. What is the doubt? It is. Yeah, what is the measurement unit of the ray, sir? Yeah, actually the measurement unit of the ray means what, in which way? What is the measurement of the ray? I am not understood your question. Yes, the measurement of the ray is ray bending or otherwise the ray traveling or ray velocity. What is for it? Ramakrishna. Once again check your whatever sentence you have written. What is the measurement unit of the ray, sir? Yes, the measurement unit is nothing but what for unit? It's a traveling path or it's a bending nature or for it intensity. Okay, in which way we are asking, I am not understood. There is a but in case it is a length. It is a traveling length means it is in a meter. It's a traveling velocity, it is nothing but meter per second. Okay, now it is in case it's a brightness is nothing but it is in a lumina. Okay, clear or not all the students? It is a lumina. Okay, got it or not? Yes, lumen. Light intensity is measured in a what? In a lumens. You know very well about this. I hope you got it. It is. Yes, what is the measurement of unit? What is the measurement of physical quantity? You have to mention, I will give the answer, but already I am given. In case it is a velocity of the ray is nothing but meter per second. The length of the ray is nothing but it is a meters. Okay, now otherwise the intensity of ray is nothing but it is a lumen or candela. That is the intensity of light purpose we are taken. Okay, this is only about our the two rays, how it is changes their paths. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, there is about two rays we are already discussed. First ray is about parallel to the principal axis. Here it will be converging towards the principal axis. When it is parallel to the principal axis, after the refraction, it is converging towards the principal axis. Got it or not? I hope you got it. There is a next component here. There is when it is a ray passes through the pole or center of curvature, it is not deviated. Okay, clear or not all of you? It is not deviated. This is only we are taken for our convex lens purpose. And then come to here, there is a second case 2 here. There it is actually the fundamental concept. In our textbook it is given. Next case 2 it is given in our textbook. What is that? The ray traveling parallel to the principal axis strikes the convex surface Yes, next one is a concave surface. In a textbook it is a given wrong. Once check it here. Yes, there is a what here? There is a case 2, it is a given somewhat wrong. Once check here. A ray traveling parallel to the principal axis strikes the convex surface. Actually it is not a convex surface. Figure B is not represent the convex surface. This is a concave surface. Okay, clear or not all of you students? Concave surface it is. Yes, at that time it will be go away from the normal. You know very well. When there is a case 2, once check it here. The case 2 is nothing but, yes, like this it here, case 2. Yes, when it is enter from, yes, parallel to the principal axis and it will be deviated from its original path. Okay, that is because of denser to rarer media. You know very well. Same application. When our light rays enter from denser to the rarer medium, okay, it is a go away from the normal. It is a go away from the normal like this. It is a denser media. Okay, light is enter like this with angle I and automatically, yes, it will become what? Refracted angle. I should be less than R here. I should be less than R here. When we are taken, it is a denser medium to the rarer medium. Okay, that is only we are taken here. Yes, these about these 2-3 rays once analyzed in the next class, in the next year. Okay, now, yes, we are going to discuss our further concept. Yes, all the 10th class students, happy new year for you. And in the coming next year, you are enter into our another step of your life. Okay, clear or not all the students? Your school age is completed and you are enter into your college age, that is only intermediate. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, don't become as idiot. Yes, as intermediate means what? You don't become idiot. When you become a good, automatically your life is also become good. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, I hope you all are whatever the desires and whatever the goals and whatever the resolutions you are taken, yes, may it will be come true and may it will be, yes, success. Yes, thank you and may God bless you all the students. Bye, take care. Yes, we'll meet in our next year. Thank you, bye, take care.